Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to use a driller's hand file. And what the hand file is, that it's very important that you use this tool right here because it's better and it makes less of a mess and more accurate opposed to use a rotary tool. So in order to use this, you can do it on Grillz or you can do it on custom jewelry, and I'm going to show you exactly how to actually use it on Grillz or jewelry. So when it comes to your file, it has smooth and rough ridges. So on the ridges, you will see that it goes one direction. In this video, you can see that it's going in an upward direction. So you have to use that direction to cut against the metal. Do not go the opposite direction or it won't cut. Make sure that you use the ridges in order to cut the metal. You see that I want to remove the residue from the sprue sticks after casting. So it's very important to remove these pieces right here so you can make it a smoother grill. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with the ridges. I'm not going to go against them on the smooth part, but I'm going to go against the rough part. And you only go one direction. So if I'm going this way, that's the only way I'm going to go. Never come back this way. Don't go like this, back and forth. Okay? This will make it inaccurate. So you want to go one direction only. Nice and smooth, nice and easy. And see how smooth you can get it down. Keep your finger here, make it nice and easy, and just move with it. Whenever you're working with it, make sure your finger is not too close because the sides can cut your finger up. So as you can see, it's nice and smooth. And then I'll take one of my burr tools and it's smoothing it down. This is the original way in order to remove the residue or shaping up the sides. You can also use it to shape up the sides of the grill. But this is the typical way of doing it. I know a lot of you like to cheat and use, a sanding disc or something like that, but a hand file is the original way to do it. And you can also, like I said, use it on jewelry. One way to do this for jewelry, all you have to do is hold this firmly down. And what I like to do, if I have stone, like prongs on one side, I'll take like a piece of double-sided tape or whatever and put it down because I don't want to damage, the prongs. So then you hold it down nice and firm, and all we have to do is get this nice and flat. And while you're working with it, make sure that you're not going in sideways like this direction because it's going to bevel the sides, and basically that means it's going to make the sides smooth and you want them nice and sharp and crisp. So just try to stay nice and flat without going like that. And as you can see, it's starting to get nice and smooth and leveled out. So then you'll be able to feel it nice and smooth across, just like that. And then you can take your other tool and then remove the remainder. That's how you remove the residue or any type of surface where you need to sand it down without using any type of a rotary tool that's going to make a lot of mess, or make it uneven. So I hope this video was useful and that you'll be able to use your own hand file to do certain jobs. You don't have to use it all the time, but I would suggest using a hand file in order to make sure that everything is accurate and leveled out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also you can go to the website at the Grillzuniversity, or you can go to Grillzuniversity to find out more.